Unboxing mini table and chair for kids. In this video, I unbox and set up a kid's multifunctional study table and chair set. Designed for studying, drawing, reading, and other learning activities. See what's included in the package, the build quality, assembly process, and the overall design of this child-friendly table and chair set. Features multifunctional study and drawing table, comfortable chair for kids, durable and sturdy construction, spacious tabletop for learning and creative activities, easy to assemble and clean. Appropriate for children aged 3 to 8 years old. Depth 36 centimeters, height 67 centimeters, seat depth 26 centimeters, seat height 30 centimeters, width 39 centimeters, weight 2.14 kilograms.
One, two, oh. Wow. Wow. Wow, thank you. What is the book? Next is thank you for helping me. Hi.
You can also purchase the chair separately. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.